As always, I hope you're doing really well wherever you are. I just got finished a short but very intense jump rope workout involving just double unders. I was trying to do several sets of over 200 double unders, and I'll show you footage from one of those sets in just a minute. Earlier today, while drinking some coffee in the morning, I read an article at theartofmanliness.com about how to jump rope like a boxer. And one really cool thing that I read that I haven't heard before was in relation to the former light heavyweight and heavyweight boxing champion, Jack Dempsey. Apparently, he used to jump rope with a clothing line that he soaked in a lubricant oil overnight. And then he, instead of handles, he just tied kind of a circle like that, and he tied the rope together here, and he used that as a handle. So that was an old school jump rope. I thought that was really cool. And it was just a really fantastic jump rope article about the benefits of jumping rope, among other things. And so today when I was doing these double unders, the rope that I use, it's nothing special. It's just a basic PVC rope. It's not a speed rope, but I'm still able to do a lot of double unders in a row. And in the very near future, I'm going to make another very detailed double under tutorial because I've gotten a lot of questions about how to do lots of double unders in a row, or how to do a few double unders and go from doing double unders back to a regular skip. So I'm going to make a real detailed video on that, including breathing techniques and things that you can do to take your double under game to the next level. All right, so I'll leave you with the footage from some footage from today's workout, and I'll add a little bit of commentary. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Hey everyone, so today I did 3 sets of over 200 double unders in each set. This is the final set, and I was just looking at the footage before uploading it, and here I did approximately 240 before the camera froze, and I think I did about 10 more than that. One problem with making videos in the winter time outside is if the weather gets cold, the camera often freezes or powers down. But anyhow, I'll continue making videos and I'll get through it. I just have to kind of stop, let the phone kind of warm up or recharge the battery of the phone. When the weather's really cold, the battery dies really quickly too. So in the near future, I'll make another very detailed double under tutorial, as I'm getting asked about double unders quite a lot. And a few things that I will talk about is feet positioning, arm positioning, hand positioning. One thing, if you really want to do a lot of double unders in a row, there are a few little tricks or techniques that you can use with hands and feet, and I'll cover those. And I'm also going to talk about some breathing techniques. One thing that's really important when you're trying to do a lot of double unders is you want to stay relaxed. It's kind of counterintuitive in the sense that double unders involve a lot of intensity, but you want to keep your body relaxed. So the two kind of things are working against each other. You want to work fast, but at the same time you want to remain relaxed. One thing that a lot of people do when they're doing intense exercise is they often tense their neck. They keep their neck really tight. And what that can do is it can lead to headaches. Some people complain that they get headaches when they do intense exercise, and it's often because they're tensing their neck or they're holding their breath. So those are a few things that you really want to avoid doing. This was a really fantastic workout today. Very short, but very intense. 200 plus double unders is it takes about approximately 2 minutes or a little bit longer than that. So you're working at a high output for a short period of time, but at the same time 2 minutes is not really that short when you're working at a high intensity.